Rule number 1, material handling. When handling materials, always protect your hands from pinch points and crush hazards. Before touching anything, check for slivers, sharp edges, burrs, or slippery surfaces. If there's no safer handling method, wear proper gloves for the task. Be especially careful when setting down heavy items. Sudden drops can easily lead to injury. Before walking through doorways or narrow spaces, make sure your hands will fit through safely. When carrying something bulky, try to grip it from the top and bottom, not the sides, to avoid getting your fingers caught. If you're handling large items like drums or cylinders, lower them slowly and ask for help if needed. Use taglines to control heavy loads, but never wrap them around your hands or body. It's also important to stay alert when using tools or equipment that can crush your hands, like hammers, presses, or rigging gear. These hazards are just as common at home as they are at work. Learn to spot, pinch, shear, wrap, and crush points. These are all areas where serious injuries can happen quickly, especially when working around moving equipment. Pinch points are places where you can get caught between moving parts, like in belt or chain drives. Shear points occur when two moving parts come close enough to cut, like on trimmers or mower blades. Wrap points are found on rotating shafts or rods that can catch loose clothing and pull you in. Crush points happen when two objects move toward each other, such as during trailer hookups or equipment movement. To stay safe, identify and avoid these hazard points. Wear close-fitting clothes and remove jewelry. Don't work on or near rotating parts. Always turn off, lock out, and tag equipment before doing maintenance. Replace any guards or shields that were removed. Keep all warning labels visible and clear. Also, always block equipment to prevent movement, especially when working underneath it, and chock wheels to keep machinery from rolling. Take a moment to look around your work area. If you see any potential pinch, shear, wrap, or crush points, bring them up with your team. Talking about these risks and planning ahead is a simple, effective way to prevent serious injuries. In the next episode, we'll talk about ergonomics of the hands.